Hey everybody, it's Spencer over at Barrwood Cabinets, Cabinet Wholesalers. Wanted to show you, we just finished this whole project of building an extra facility to hold our in-stock product. This is for you. You're normally going and you need something quick, you have to buy it from an import product company, you have to put it together, assemble it. Not anymore. Now if you want American made, same day, you have it available. This is Wellborn Cabinets, white shaker, plywood box, soft close drawers, soft close hinges. We have many different SKUs. It's not your normal, what you're used to dealing with the import cabinets. We have many stuff they don't have, but you can buy here. It's pick up and install same day. You pay when you pick up, you go at lunchtime, you install it, cabinets are done by dinner. Once again, Wellborn Cabinets, American made, American materials, by American people, in stock, same day pickup. You don't have to put anything together. It's easy. Get it, install it, you're done. Call me today, let us get you a quote, come out, take a look at the facility. We'd love to have you here and show you. Again, it's Spencer, Barrwood Cabinets, Cabinet Wholesalers, 404-409-0283. We'll look forward to working with you.